Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Binary Master. Today's video is going to be very interesting. Today, I will trade on OTC market. I always trade on real account and this is my trading history. Now I install the script on my accounts. It almost gives me very good profit. It works 100%. Keep watching our video. If you also want to earn dollars in this way, then you should join our free signal channel of Telegram, where you will be given free signals from which you can make good profit. Well, I am always making good strategy for you which will benefit you. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for features update. We are best binary signals provider. You can find the Telegram signals link in the description of this video. Take a look at my Telegram channel. So let's start live trade for better understanding. Now our script is fully installed. Now I have good. I wait for the signal. As soon as I get the signal, I place a trade on it and I do the same trade with full capital. You guys keep watching, keep walking with us. I am 100% sure that this will be our trade. Our account balance is $6,390. I take all of them in one big trade. If you want our best signals, so join our Telegram channel. You keep watching our video. If you want this script, you can contact us on Telegram. You will get free signal and our free strategy, and this script will be given for free. Thank you. See you in next video. Happy trading.